Overthinking is one of the most common struggles of the modern mind. You replay conversations, imagine scenarios, and worry about things that never actually happen. The Stoics faced the same problem 2,000 years ago, and they built practices to quiet the endless noise. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Overthinking comes from forgetting that truth. We get lost in what-ifs and fears because we believe we can control outcomes, people, or the future. But the Stoics remind us the future is outside your grasp. The only thing in your control is this present thought, this present action. So how do we apply Stoicism to overthinking? Step 1. Awareness. Catch yourself in the loop. Marcus wrote often about pulling his mind back from wandering. Notice when your thoughts spiral. Don't fight them, just name them. This is not useful. Step 2. Control test. Epictetus taught, "Some things are in our control and others not." Divide your thoughts into two categories: things you can act on and things you cannot. If it's outside your control, drop it. If it's in your control, take one action, however small, to address it. Step 3. Reframe. Seneca wrote, "We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than reality." Overthinking magnifies shadows into monsters. Reframe your worry into training. This is a chance to practice patience, or courage, or resilience. Step 4. Return. Bring your focus back to the present. Your breath. The task in front of you. This moment is always the cure for overthinking. Modern science echoes this. Mindfulness breaks the cycle of rumination. The Stoics practiced it long before psychology gave it a name. Overthinking won't vanish overnight. But with practice, you'll turn it into a signal, a reminder to come back to what's in your hands, here and now. Subscribe to Stoic Spark for timeless tools to quiet the noise and strengthen the mind.